March
March 2nd, Wednesday.
March 2nd, Wednesday, yesterday. Today is your Taekwondo day, yeah?
Yesterday.
You're gonna do Taekwondo today. That's nice. So what did you do today? I mean, yesterday. Nothing special, same thing?
Oh, I bought some books.
You bought books? What books?
These books.
Penguin?
No, and
What
we
is
bought
it?
some Harry Potter books. Yeah,
Harry Potter book.
Harry Potter.
What is the story about of that book? It's like a penguin cover.
Oh, it's Harry children's learning program.
Yeah.
It's a model of that.
Yeah, that's why. Okay. Have you read it?
It's a learning book.
It's a learning book. That's nice. I can see you have a new headset. Did you buy those?
Really? No, we have those, but we use them today.
Ah, I think they're okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
That's good. Where is your mommy today?
In the house, sitting in the chair.
She will not go exercise?
I think she'll go exercise later.
Later. Isn't it hot today in Vietnam?
Yes, the sun is rising now.
I can see the sun. Yeah, it looks sunny. Isn't it cold anymore?
I don't know.
Because you're not wearing a jacket, a blanket.
Yes.
Maybe not cold anymore, yeah?
T-shirt.
Just a t-shirt like me. Simple, simple. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
So this is a game where you need to find the same in the picture. You have to have a good eyesight. You ready? Are you ready? Okay.
The child.
The child, yeah, let's see. Jumping child, right?
Flower. The dog. That.
The dog, okay. All right. Brown dog.
Dog. The ballerina.
The ballerina, dancing ballerina, yeah?
Brown dog.
Brown dog.
Red flower. Yellow bird. Pink fish.
Pink fish. That's like Nemo, but pink, not orange.
Jump. Dance.
Ants.
Running. Leaf.
The leaf. Green leaf.
Bluebird.
Bluebird. The washing machine is finished.
Bluebird again.
Yeah, the bluebird likes you a lot.
Clap.
Clapping hands.
Red flower.
Mhm.
That's many birds.
Which one?
Jumping boy.
Jump, jump, jump.
Pink fish.
Mm-hmm.
The butterfly. Blue fish.
Mm-hmm.
Blue fish again. Green leaf.
Okie dokie. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right?
Yes, it is.
Did we do? Yeah, we did this yesterday. I remember the panda. Okay. Let's go to this one. Which animal?
It's the most colorful. The frog is the most colorful. Which animal is the least colorful? Wolf is the least colorful.
Okay. So let's start with the graceful first.
Which animal is the most graceful? The gawa.
The? What is that?
Llama.
Llama is the most graceful.
Oh, it's a llama?
Is it a llama?
No, it's not.
It's like a deer.
Yes. The deer is the most graceful.
Right.
Which animal is the least graceful?
Huh?
What's that? Tyrannosaurus.
Rhino. Rhinoceros.
Is the least colorful.
Mm-hmm.
Graceful.
Graceful. Colorful.
Which animal is the most colorful? Frog is the most colorful. Which animal is the least colorful?
Color.
The
Mm-hmm.
wolf is the least colorful. Which clothes is the most expensive? The
Which one?
jumper is the
Most expensive.
Which cloth is the least expensive? The hat is the least expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Which food is the most delicious? The chicken is the most delicious. Which food is the least delicious?
All of it are delicious.
Yeah.
You have to choose.
Hamburger. The hamburger is the least delicious.
Mm.
No
Okay.
way. Is the zebra more colorful than the jaguar? Yes, it is.
Is the zebra less colorful?
Is the zebra less colorful than jaguar? No, it isn't.
What story is this? Okay. Looks so scary. A long time ago.
I can't read it. Oh, no.
Let's
Long
make
time
it bigger.
ago,
Okay,
people
there.
rode rode horses. First train used horses too. Horses pulled the train cars. In
1830.
This is not good.
You cannot see it.
Not very. Not clear.
What about now?
No, it's not clear.
No? Okay, we're going to skip that.
Which is more expensive, a bicycle or a car? Car is more expensive than a bike. Of course, is a bike less expensive than a very old car? Yes, it is. It's less expensive. A car is faster and more expensive, but a bike is more fun. A bike is more fun. Which one is the faster? Airplane is faster. Which one is less great? The squirrel is less great. Fast. Fast.
Okay, we did that. Heavy. Which one is?
The elephant is heavy.
Uh-huh.
Is
Colorful.
which one is
Colorful.
colorful?
So for colorful, you can say more colorful or less colorful.
The frog is more colorful.
Good.
Then the deer is the most graceful.
Very good. Okay. And then the car is
The car is the slowest.
good.
The skunk is light.
Lighter.
Lighter. The cloud is less colorful. There's more colorful.
Yeah, I think so. More colorful, less colorful.
The squirrel is less graceful.
Less graceful. Okay. 17. Let's go to our new words. Incredible was the last time. Kilogram was the last time. So we're already in chapter 40. First word.
Fox.
What is a fox?
The animal.
It's an animal that changes color during winter. What color does it changes to on winter season?
White.
It becomes white on winter.